ready to take control of your business finances with QuickBooks. Let's get it installed so you can start simplifying your accounting today. First, head over to the official Intuit QuickBooks website. You'll want to locate the download section. Select the version of QuickBooks that best suits your business needs, whether it's Pro, Premier, or Enterprise, and click the download button to grab the installer file. Once the download is complete, find the installer file on your computer. Usually in your Downloads folder, double-click on this file to begin the installation process. You might see a security prompt asking for permission to run the installer. Click Yes or Allow to proceed. The QuickBooks installer will launch. You'll see a welcome screen. Simply click Next to move forward through the setup wizard. This will take you to the license agreement. Now read through the end user license agreement. If you agree to the terms, check the box that says I accept the license agreement, and then click Next. Next, you'll choose your installation type. For most users, the Express installation is recommended as it installs QuickBooks with default settings and is the quickest. If you have specific requirements or an existing network setup, you might consider the custom option, but for a standard setup, click Express. The installer will now begin copying files and setting up QuickBooks on your computer. This process can take a few minutes, so please be patient while it completes. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the installer. Congratulations, QuickBooks is now installed on your computer. You should now see a QuickBooks icon on your desktop. Double-click this icon to launch the software and begin setting up your company file, ready to streamline your business accounting.